So now we're going to move on to sowing seeds directly outside, which means today we're looking at starting some different kinds of radishes. We're going to put in a couple of rows of carrots because we'll start some now and some later so that they don't all come at the same time. We're also going to get some beetroots in. I'm going to also get the sugar snap peas into the ground the first bit. Different variety of carrots, and then also spring onions. One thing I like to do with these is cover them with sieved soil. So the sieving that you've seen me done for the seedlings and everything, I also do for here. It makes it easier. Other years I've seen that try putting sand over top, but sometimes heard from friends and students that they've had problems with sand because they do sometimes put stuff in it to help grass not grow in it. That's why I ended up going with the potting soil. What I like about it is it's a different color, so it makes it easier to see where exactly your rows are while they're coming up. And then, like with the carrots, the contrast of the carrot seedling to the black potting soil is very pronounced, so you can see it very easily. Let's get outside and get to it.